Next time you are passing the townhouse, look up and you will see me looking out over the high street. This lovely building was built in 1861 to replace the old toll booth that sat just further down the street. The toll booth was built in 1386 and was used as a meeting place for the community and town council, and also contained a court and a prison. In 1856, the town council decided that the toll booth had become such an encumbrance to traffic and was in such a bad state of repair, so a new town's building was built here, further up the street on the site of the old flesh market. This townhouse opened in May 1862 at the cost of £4,000. This new building provided a meeting place for the council, the borough court, justice of the peace court, road trustees and the presbytery. The main hall was used for civic functions, concerts and balls. It didn't have prison cells, as a new police station had been built behind the building. The townhouse had a fence with decorative railings and 2 gas lamps on either side of the entrance. The railings were removed during World War II to help the war effort. In 2012, the townhouse closed for renovation and reopened in July 2017 as a stunning wedding venue and a heritage and cultural hub, which includes a local and family history library.